TextBlaze Text Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get text automation wrong. They think it's only for big companies or coding experts. TextBlaze is different. The surprising truth is how much time it can save by automating repetitive text, and you won't believe how simple it is to use. Here's how it works. TextBlaze lets you create text snippets, templates, and forms that you can insert anywhere with shortcuts. It works in emails, documents, CRM, and even chat tools, reducing repetitive typing and human error. For example, a support agent can create canned responses for common questions, inserting them instantly while maintaining personalization. Most people get this wrong. They assume automation is complex, but TextBlaze makes it accessible for everyone. Additional features include dynamic fields, date and time insertion, dropdowns, and formula support. It also integrates with popular apps like Gmail, Salesforce, and Slack. However, there are considerations. Advanced features may require a subscription, and large teams may need organizational planning to manage snippets effectively. Most people assume unlimited sharing. It's not included in free plans. In conclusion, TextBlaze is ideal for professionals and teams who want to save time and reduce repetitive typing. Its simplicity, versatility, and integration options make it a powerful productivity tool. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of text automation and productivity tools.